Hello, beautiful people. It's time to do maintenance again. This is gonna be just oiling and prepping Malachi's hair so I can get ready to, so he can get ready to wash it. Just sit back, hold your back. It's time to wash it again, definitely. As you can see, it's frizzed all out. Look at the top, frizzed out. We have not been doing hair care the last 2 weeks because I've been really busy working. Look, he even got dirt. Look, I don't know what in the world this is in the hair. Look like some type of,
You know that's some real big too.
huh?
You know that's some real big too. You keep saying her dead old thing. That mess was never dead on my that was
Some
on my
type of grass in your hair. I'm like, what in the world is that?
keep telling me that mess was away from
Grass. What in the world? So yeah, we talking about Raya. Uh, yeah, got grass in her hair. They still, as you can see, it's a little nappy. It is a little nappy. And it's dirty. See, that's the thing about hair growth with him. I let his hair get dirty. I don't wash his hair like the average person would think I should wash his hair for this type of hair. I don't wash his hair every week. I actually let it get dirty. It does get dirty, and I don't let it get too dirty, but it do get dirty. I do let it get dirty enough where sometimes I think a little dirt actually grows the hair. Not maybe like not let it get filthy dirty, but go a week or so over your hair washing period time frame. And I'm telling you, and it comes from all the oils and different things that you put in your hair over, weeks and stuff that build up and stuff. And so I let his hair get a little dirty before I wash it. Tell him to wash it. And then he ain't gonna wash it no way unless I tell him to wash it. Or I mention to him it's time to wash your hair. He'll just sit right here and let it be. And take showers and don't even wash it. So I have to actually tell him a lot of times it's time to wash it unless he went out there and know he got it dirty. Definitely got it dirty or something. So yeah. But it's not too bad after the kinks get opened up. Um, it's kinky a little bit, as you can see. You see him grabbing. So this is the perfect brush. And so, it's long overdue now. I am going to treat his hair really good. And we're going to do the final of me cutting it and trimming it, the split ends and stuff. But it's not going to be today. It's not going to be today. Yeah, it's not going to be today. So I'm just look, see. And like I said, it's dirty. And yes, his hair is shedding some because of the split ends. And then too, I haven't, you see it's dirty. I haven't, because I've been outside working for the last 2 weeks. And we haven't had time that much to upload a lot of videos. And I haven't had time to do hair care for him. Okay, turn around to the right. Well, turn to the left first. Let me take the front one out. Yeah, but we about to go out now. I'm about to take him and Jalen to the library. Back up a little bit. Back up. Back up a little bit. Back. No, back. Yeah, back. You up. Yeah, and I'm about to take them to the library. So I don't want him to go in the library with her just looking too rough. But guys, yes, I got a Shein haul that I'm about to do as well. So then I'll keep you guys posted about that. But I'm here today in this video. Don't let me be all over the place. I'm here today in this video to update you guys about the hair care. Take that plant over there out. About what I'm about to do to his hair and what we about to do. I'm about to do another hair mask and some more hair tips, definitely. And I found some more hair products that I want to share with you guys. So I'm excited about that as well. Yeah. So that's what I was just sharing with you guys. Like some people have to wash their hair like every day, or even they say, well, some people may think it's nasty. You don't wash your hair, this type of hair. You don't wash this. Don't break it. You don't wash this type of hair at least once a week. Sometimes I be too busy. No, sometimes I can't tell him. I could tell him to wash it, but like I said, this is why we are here with the videos and stuff. He ain't finna do too much to his hair. He talking about he was gonna learn how to plait it up. To this day, I don't see him even trying to plait it. So he ain't gonna do much but talk and say what he gonna do, try to do. Don't do too much. Turn around. On the other side now. Turn. Come on, I gotta do this side. The front. You gotta turn to the right. What you doing? Yeah, he ain't gonna do too much. Yep. So, as you guys see the frizz, look, see the frizz, and then this is only a few kinks. It's not even as nappy and coarse as it can be, and you see him squirming in front this little bit. It's just kinky a little bit, and then it's dry a little bit as well. So, because I haven't done it in probably over a week. So, yeah. Go ahead. And now this is the time when you know it's time to wash it because his hair is dirty. I could tell it's dirty, and it's a little dirty and dusty from the products, hair products and stuff too, in the brush. So it's time to wash it and get it cleaned up and clean the scalp really well. And clean. So, all right. So yeah, this is pretty much what it's looking like right now. And like I said to you guys, I will be coming back for us to do the hair mask with the new products that I found, guys, that I want to share with y'all, that we're going to share. And I'm going to also be doing mine as well, so I can share it with y'all. So stay tuned and look forward to it, guys. Until the next one.